Shiplap. It can do wonders for a room and turn it into a designer showcase for not a lot of cost. So just how did I transform my laundry room from this to this for under $100? I'll tell you in just a minute.
So I'm going to show you how to do shiplap. It's in a small space. I'm using long boards. They're going to be all one length, but I'm going to show you how to do this by yourself. We're going to start from the bottom up. I pre-cut my boards to match and fit the width. And now the second step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for these studs in the wall. And with that, then create a line so I can go up the wall and find those studs as I go up the wall.
First, start with a clean, flat wall. Find and mark your studs. This is key for a solid install. Measure your wall and cut boards to length. Install the first board perfectly level at the bottom. You can use a level. If this board is off, the whole wall will be off. Nail directly into the studs. Now, work your way up, locking each board into the groove. Use spacers or nickels to keep even gaps if your shiplap does not have built-in spacing. Now, nail through the tongue or face. Nail near the top where it'll be covered by the next board. Check your level every few rows.
Okay, so I got most of these in place, but the last one, I have a gap at the top. Now you always want to measure ahead of time to see kind of what your gap is going to be like at the top, because if it's going to be too tight, you're going to want to put either a trim or cut the bottom to match.
And that's it. Instant character, no contractor required. So the big reveal, just how did I transform this room from this to this for under $100? I found all of my shiplap pieces and they were pre-painted. I bought them on Facebook Marketplace for just $75.